What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T Hoop, and I'm back again with another video. And today, we're going to take a look at the OnePlus 8. Going to be a short, really short video. I've had it for about 24 hours. I'm not going to talk about the specs. I'll probably just put them right there somewhere right there. You can read over them yourself. What I'm going to tell you about is my first 24-hour experience that I've had with it. And all I got to say is they did it again. First, though, look. This color is by far the most beautifulest color on any cell phone that I've ever had in my catalog. The Aura Glow on the Note 10 Plus, can't touch this. Check this out. Look, look at that. Whatever reflection it gets, you know what? I'm going to call this phone the chameleon phone. Whatever reflection it gets, it like turns to that color. This phone is beautiful. Let me get that smudge off. Now, one thing I can say, it is a fingerprint magnet. But look at that beautiful color. Look at that. It like color shifts, and it doesn't do it so hard. Like that Aura Glow on the Samsung devices, it's too it's too what's the word am I looking for? It's too aggressive with the color shifting. It's too many colors. It's too dark. This right here, OnePlus did it just right. Like, look, check this out. Put it up and get something red, and it just moves into that color. Beautiful. It feels really good in the hand. It's like light. It's really light. Now I'm recording this with my OnePlus 7 Pro, and my Pro is, it feels good in the hand, but it's that weight, that heavy weight feel good in the hand. It's bulky. This right here is slim and it's light. It's really light in the hand. They really did a good job with this. One thing that I had to get used to real quick. If you notice, the fingerprint sensors, I'm used to it being a little bit lower, so I kept hitting here. So, I mean, I've trained myself in the last 24 hours to realize that it's like here. And it is very accurate. It is very accurate. My hands are a little bit sweaty, so yeah, it's accurate. More so than none, I get it on the first try, and I'm still learning. I'm still learning the position of the fingerprint sensor. Still getting it, but like I said, I'm sweating a little bit back here, and I do have a for the always on display, since OnePlus is like tripping and saying, oh, we're going to release it soon, but not till August. So I have an app that I use. It's called, I want to say it's called AMOLED AOD. A lot of people ask me how I get always on display on my OnePlus devices. And it's called AMOLED. Hold on, I'll just show you. It's right there. This is what I use to get always on display on my OnePlus devices. It's right there. It works. Drains your battery a little bit, but not too bad. I gotta have my always on display. But anyway, back to the device. Beautiful. I've taken a couple pictures, which I will have in another video. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful pictures. Like, they did some work. I have compared them. I compared the pictures on with my OnePlus 7 Pro and this OnePlus 8. A lot better. They did some work. They did some work on the camera this year. Well, yeah, this year. 6 months this year, whatever. I have no complaints about this device. There are some things that I would have liked for them to put on here that they put on the OnePlus 7 Pro, the OnePlus 8 Pro. One being wireless charge. They could have put that on here. Now, I bet you $1. Nah, I bet you 50 cents. The OnePlus 8T is going to have wireless charge. I'll bet you. So, I'm just be patient. But that's the only thing. That is the only thing. It's fast. The speakers. I mean, this 90 hertz refresh rate, amazing. The screen is absolutely. Let me pull something up here. The screen, absolutely amazing. 90 hertz refresh rate, amazing. The speakers, amazing. Let me pull up one of my videos so you can get a taste of what this speaker sound like. Hold on one second, y'all. Yes. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T Hoop, and I'm back again with another
Listen
video.
to that bass, yo.
And today,
The screen is amazing.
I'm going to give you my
Speakers are amazing.
Corona style.
You can like feel it vibrating in the back.
review
Cover up the bottom.
on the LG
Sounds amazing.
V60 ThinQ 5G.
Sounds
That's
amazing,
the last
y'all.
time I'm gonna say all that.
For $699, this phone, I would definitely, after everything that I've seen between this phone and the Pro variant of this, I would recommend this phone. It's just a little bit smaller. Let me wipe it down. It's just a little bit smaller. The cameras on the Pro, a little bit bigger. They got bigger sensors. But I like this phone. I really like this phone. Like I said, I'm going to be back with a more in-depth review. I'm going to try and get outside somewhere. We in Ohio. I'm in Ohio. We're still on lockdown. Just got extended for another month, basically, the end of the month. So, I mean, I can't really take that many pictures. I'm staying safe, but I'm going to try and get out. It's starting to get warm. I'm going to try and get out, and practice social distancing. On that, y'all need to stay at home, yo. I understand y'all want to get the economy back and everything, we all do. But it ain't going to be no economy if everybody's sick and can't get out and spend the money that you're making. Be smart. All you dumbass protesters, it's going to take one of your family members to contract this virus and die before you get it, God forbid. Because right now you don't get it. Stay at home, be smart, stop thinking about yourself, think about your neighbor. Just because you don't feel sick, you might still have it and you might transmit it. Quit being so damn selfish. Anywho, back to this. Like I said, I'm going to try and get out, take some pictures, so I can show you how amazing this camera is. Everybody knocking it and saying it ain't that great. $699. These cameras are amazing. I'm just saying. That's my opinion. But you will see. Anywho, OnePlus 8. Short video. I get back Catch y'all later. And again, stay y'all ass at home. Peace.